Welcome to Upstyle Press. In this video, I will show you how to lock Instagram on Android or how to apply password in Instagram. To do that, go to Google Play Store, search App Lock. Install this software. Before we open this app, let me show you. If I open Instagram, it shows up right away. It is not protected. So App Lock is installed. Let's open App Lock. It will ask to draw an unlock pattern. We need to connect at least 4 dots. Draw pattern again to confirm. So this is our unlock pattern. Press agree and start. Allow App Lock to send you notifications. After that, from here, from privacy screen, select apps to lock. I will select Instagram. It requires permissions. So let's permit usage access for App Lock. Grant permission and then press the second button. Enable App Lock. And that's it. Now make sure Instagram is locked from here. Now go back and open Instagram. It will ask for unlock pattern. Once we use that pattern, Instagram will be unlocked. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.